Dear students, in this lecture, let us see summary and multiple choice questions on chi-square, T and F distributions. Chi-square, T and F distributions are exact sampling distributions which are used in small sample theory. Regular probability distributions are expressed in terms of parameters, whereas sampling distributions are expressed in terms of degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom is defined as the difference between the number of random variables involved in the distribution and the number of parameters estimated from the sample is known as degrees of freedom. Thus, if n small n is the number of variables involved in the distribution and k be the parameters estimated from the sample, then degrees of freedom equal to n minus k. Now, the first sampling distribution is chi-square distribution, and chi-square variable is defined as the square of standard normal variate is known as chi-square variate with 1 degrees of freedom. More general, the sum of squares of n independent standard normal variates is a chi-square variate with n degrees of freedom. So here the notation for chi-square distribution is x follows chi-square distribution with n degrees of freedom. Support set is 0 less than or equal to chi-square less than or equal to infinity. That is, chi-square is non-negative and therefore its support set is 0 to infinity. PDF of chi-square is f of chi-square equal to half raised to n by 2 divided by gamma n by 2 e raised to minus chi-square by 2 chi-square raised to n by 2 minus 1 or chi-square greater than or equal to 0 and 0 otherwise. So students are informed to observe this chi-square as a variable, not a square of chi. Okay, so chi-square is itself is a variable. Mean and mean of chi-square distribution is equal to n, its degrees of freedom. Mode of chi-square distribution is n minus 2. Variance of chi-square distribution is 2 times n, that is 2 times degrees of freedom. Raw moments about origin are given by mu1 dash is equal to n, mu2 dash is equal to n into n plus 2, mu3 dash is equal to n into n plus 2 into n plus 4, mu4 dash is equal to n into n plus 2 into n plus 4 into n plus 6, and therefore the central moments become mu1 is equal to 0, mu2 is equal to 2 times n, mu3 is equal to 8 times n, mu4 is equal to 12 n into n plus 4. Now mgf of chi-square is given by mxt is equal to 1 minus 2 times t bracket raised to minus n by 2, and cgf is given by kxt is equal to n into t by 1 factorial plus 2 twice n into t square by n factorial plus 8n into t cube divided by 3 factorial plus 48n into t raised to 4 by 4 factorial plus dash dash dash. So here the coefficient of skewness based on moments, central moments is beta 1 is equal to 8 by n. For n greater than 0, this 8 by n is greater than 0, and here gamma 1 is equal to 2 into root 2 divided by n, which is also positive, and therefore chi-square distribution is positively skewed. The coefficient of kurtosis based on central moments is beta 2 is equal to 3 plus 12 divided by n. As n is positive, this 12 divided by n is greater than or equal to greater than 0. Therefore, the total quantity is greater than 3, and gamma 2 is equal to beta 2 minus 3, that is 12 divided by n, which is greater than 0. So beta 2 is greater than 3 and gamma 2 is greater than 0. That means the chi-square distribution is leptokurtic. And last one is additive property. The sum of independent chi-square variables is also a chi-square variable. That is, if chi-square 1, chi-square with n1 and chi-square with n2 are independent, then chi-square n1 plus chi-square n2. So this sum follows chi-square n1 plus n2. So these are some MCQs on chi-square distribution. Students should note that in this presentation, the correct alternative, that is correct answer, is given in red color. So the first question is, if x follows normal 0, 1, that is standard normal, then the distribution of x square is, here the correct answer is chi-square with 1 degrees of freedom. The range of chi-square distribution with n degrees of freedom is, the correct answer is 0 to infinity. So similarly you observe the remaining questions. So this is the continuation of MCQs on chi-square distribution. So you may read these questions. So this is the summary of T distribution. The T distribution was defined by W.S. Gossett when he was student. So it is also called as student's T distribution. And it is defined as the ratio of standard normal variable z to root of chi-square with n degrees of freedom divided by n is the T variate with n degrees of freedom. Now the notation for T distribution is T follows T distribution with n degrees of freedom. Here the support set is the whole real line minus infinity to plus infinity, and PDF is f of t is equal to 1 divided by root n, 1 divided by beta half comma n by 2 into 1 divided by 1 plus t square by n, that raised to n plus 1 divided by 2. Here mean is 0, mode is also 0. Variance of T distribution is mu2 is equal to n divided by n minus 2 when n is greater than 2. Central moments, mu1 is 0, mu2 is n divided by n minus 2, mu3 is 0, mu4 is 3 n square divided by n minus 2 into n minus 4. The coefficient of skewness beta 1 is 0 and hence gamma 1 is also 0. Therefore, the T distribution is symmetric. Coefficient of kurtosis beta 2 is equal to 3 times n minus 2 divided by n minus 4. So this is also greater than 3 and therefore the T distribution is leptokurtic. So these are some of the MCQs based on students' T distribution. So the correct alternatives, that is correct answers, are given in red color. So this is the summary of F distribution. G.W. Snedkors defined F distribution as a ratio of two sample variances in 1934. F statistics is defined as the ratio of two independent chi-square variables divided by respective degrees of freedom. So here the notation for F distribution is F follows F distribution with n1 and n2 degrees of freedom. The support set here is F is greater than or equal to 0, that is 0 to infinity. The PDF of F distribution is F of F. So here F is a random variable, is equal to n divided by n1 by n2 raised to n1 by 2, beta n1 by 2 comma n2 by 2 into f raised to n1 by 2 minus 1 divided by 1 plus n1 by n2 into f, and this raised to n1 plus n2 divided by 2 when f is positive, greater than or equal to 0 and equal to 0 otherwise. So here mean of f distribution is n2 divided by n2 minus 1. So this mean is independent of the first degrees of freedom n1. Mode is given by n2 into n1 minus 2 divided by n1 into n2 plus 2. Variance is given by mu2 is equal to 2 times n2 square into n1 plus n2 minus 2 divided by n1 into n2 minus 2 bracket square into n2 minus 4. Now let us see one important property of F distribution. If F follows F distribution with n1 and n2, then 1 by F follows F distribution with n2, n1. So this is called as the reciprocal property. Now the relation between T and F distribution is, if T follows T distribution with n degrees of freedom, then T square follows F distribution with n1 comma n degrees of freedom. And the relation between F and chi-square distributions is, if F follows F distribution with n1, n2, and if n2 tends to infinity, then n1 into F follows chi-square distribution with n1 degrees of freedom. These are some of the MCQs on F distribution. Here also the correct alternative, that is correct answer, is given in red color. So F distribution is invented by, the option is, correct option is Snedkor, B. The range of F distribution with n1 and 2 degrees of freedom is, the correct option is C, that is 0 to infinity. Mean of F distribution with n1 and n2 degrees of freedom is, here the correct answer is n2 divided by n2 minus 2. If x follows F distribution with n1 and n2, then expectation of x depends only on n2. If x has F distribution with 10, 6, n1 is 10, n2 is 6, then mean of x is, so if you substitute here n2 is equal to 6 in this equation, then the simplification is 3 by 2. The correct answer is 3 by 2. If random variable x follows F distribution with 6, n degrees of freedom with mean is equal to 2, then the value of n is, so by reversing this equation for n2, value of n2 is 4. If x has F distribution with 8, that is n1 is 8, n2 is 8, degrees of freedom, then mode of x is 6 divided by 10. Continuation of MCQs on F distribution. If x follows F distribution with n1 n2 degrees of freedom, and if n2 tends to infinity, then n1 into x has dash dash distribution. So this n1 into x has chi-square distribution with n1 degrees of freedom. If x has F distribution with n1 n2 degrees of freedom, then the distribution of 1 by x, that is dash dash dash. So by reciprocal property, the distribution of 1 by x is f n2 n1. If x follows t distribution with n degrees of freedom, then chi square, then x square follows dash dash distribution. So x square follows f distribution with 1 and n degrees of freedom. The relation between t and f distributions is t square n is equal to f1 comma n. Okay, so this is my last lecture for you. I wish you best luck for your coming examination as well as for your future. Thank you. Thank you very much.